Mr. Speaker and members, I rise in support of this amendment. And I would ask that all of us take into mind a consideration is that there's a balance of power. Recently, I was at a naturalization ceremony in Lebanon County, and the president of a prestigious law school called me up and a judge and someone from the executive branch, recognizing how this system of checks and balances is so important for us to survive. The legislative branch in and of itself, by the way we're structured, is balanced. The executive branch, by large and far, has representation with different members of the Secretary of the Cabinets and employees who work there. Judicial branch is one in which the needs of the various counties and communities that we live in is so critically important that our voices be heard. 4 years ago, I was walking across the United States, and as I was walking, I saw the incredible devastation of 50 communities that were abandoned. They were all in rural areas. I'm seeing the same thing happen now. My county of Lebanon County has been adversely affected because in so many different cases at the judicial level, our needs are not clearly understood. This dividing up of the state into 7 judicial districts for the Supreme Court and other areas is the only way for the needs of all the citizens of the Commonwealth, which this representation would be based upon population, would allow us to have that type of need in our communities heard. We talk about diversity. We need the diversity as well of the diversity of the various peoples from various aspects of our community. We are a failing Commonwealth. We need for people to understand that. Since the 1930s, our congressional representation has been declining rapidly. We're likely to lose another seat. This amendment gives us the opportunity to establish some degree of a restoration of a balance of power that was so greatly deserved as our nation was founded and was intended to be crafted in our Constitution. I ask a yes vote and urge you to support this amendment.